When you use lost mode, your device will show the message you create that says it is lost and how to contact you. You may wonder, can someone unlock my iPhone in lost mode? In this video, we will let you know 3 ways of how to unlock iPhone in lost mode. Method 1. Unlock iPhone in lost mode with correct iPhone screen passcode. To unlock iPhone in lost mode with password, just enable the screen lock, and input the correct screen password, and you can now log into your iPhone and use it. Method 2. Unlock iPhone in lost mode through iCloud Find My. This method requires you know the correct Apple ID and password. How to unlock iPhone from lost mode through iCloud? Just use the correct Apple ID and password to log in iCloud official website, and then select Find My option. Select the iPhone you need to unlock, and then click Lost Mode option. Click Stop Lost Mode, and then you will find that your iPhone is not in the lost mode anymore. Method 3. Unlock iPhone in lost mode without passcode by using MagFone Activation Unlocker. The lost method is using a professional iCloud activation unlocking tool named MagFone Activation Unlocker, which can help you get out of the iPhone in lost mode without any password. What's more, it can remove iCloud activation lock without password. Let's check how to use MagFone Activation Unlocker to unlock iPhone in lost mode. iPhone lost mode unlock without password is very easy when you use MagFone. After you factory reset iPhone by using iTunes or MagFone iPhone Unlocker, the iPhone will stuck in the iCloud activation lock screen. Launch MagFone Activation Unlocker on your computer. Then select Remove iCloud Activation Lock on the main interface. Connect your iPhone with computer and click on the Start button. Click on the Start button to download a jailbreak tool. As I already downloaded the jailbreak tool before, here I directly click on the Start Jailbreak button. Follow the steps on the screen to jailbreak. After successfully jailbreaking your device, you can start removing the iCloud activation lock. Few minutes later, the iCloud activation unlocked successfully, and you will find that your lost iPhone mode unlocked. That's all the video. Hope you will like it. See you next time.